What is up, guys? It is What's Short, and today we're going to be opening up Peter McKinnon's V6 coin, one of the EDC coins that he makes. I actually have a lot of them, but today I'm finally going to open up this one. So let's get into the box. So let's get into this. Make sure to always cut away from yourself when you're using a knife. I always love the little leather stuff that he gives you. But there it is. Look how cool this is. This is supposed to be a compass. So I just want to start by saying the bottom of this comes out and you can literally get the coin this way, which I find really interesting. And look at the details on this. That is crazy. Now let me see if I can open the front of this thing. This is a true north right there. That is wild. Really cool how this looks and works. This also comes with a leather coin holder because it is an everyday carry type of item. You don't need to always have it in this, even though this looks really cool and really amazing. You don't have to have it in that. You could have it in this leather holder. And also, if you like the smell of leather, oh man, this smells awesome. I love the smell of leather. Might be a little addicted to the smell of leather, to be honest. If I had more leather products, I would always have them on me. But yeah, this has been really cool unboxing. This latch is really hard to kind of get open, but when you do, there it is. There's the coin. That's really awesome. And I believe there is a trident in this that you could use. Give me 1 second to see if I can figure it out. So over here, you could actually remove the trident and put it over here. And if you push this in, it actually reveals the Fly to Flag logo right there. And it holds into the trident. That's really something cool. I absolutely love this thing. This is one of the cooler coins I think he made. For sure worth the purchase. And you know, the trident stays in place. It's not gonna fall out. Really cool. Little EDC coin. And you know, like I said, little leather holder you could put it in. So perfect for an everyday carry if you wanted it. Or, you know, really good for some product photography if you want to practice. Really enjoying this. But I hope you guys also enjoyed it. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next time.